Welcome to aminacademy.com. In binomial theorem, let us do some example problem regarding greatest coefficient and greatest term. Look at this example. Find the greatest coefficient in the expansion of 1 plus x power 10. We know that the greatest coefficient is the middle term when n is even. If n is even, the greatest term, the greatest coefficient have in middle term. Here therefore the greatest term involves at r equal n over 2. Here the power is 10, so n over 2 is 10 by 2, which is equal 5. So that the greatest term coefficient is involved in the sixth term, because n equal to 5, greatest terms involves in sixth term. Therefore greatest coefficient involves in 5 plus 1, that is sixth term. Therefore we can say NCR, that is equal 10C 5 is having the coefficient as greatest term, that is 10C5 is, by calculation you get 252. Then this can be done in other method also. Here let TR plus 1 have the greatest coefficient, then the coefficient of, then you can say T R plus 1 is the greatest term, is greater than the coefficient of TR. Now therefore here 10, we know that 10CR is greater or equal to 10 of CR minus 1 also. Therefore we can expand this. 10CR is 10 factorial over 10 minus R factorial into R factorial, which is greater or equal 10 factorial 10 minus R plus 1 factorial into R minus 1 factorial. This 10 factorial cut both sides. Then we have 10 minus R plus 1 factorial into R minus 1 factorial is because it's in denominator, so it is the inverted, that is greater or equal sign is inverted like R minus 1 factorial, that is equal 10 minus R factorial into R factorial. So both sides R minus 1 factorial we can keep here. After that we can tell 10 minus R plus 1 factorial is greater than, here r minus 1 factorial. Here r factorial can be written as, right here, r minus 1 factorial 10 minus r factorial. R factorial can be written as r into r minus 1 factorial. Both r minus 1 factorial kept. So we get 10 minus r. 10 minus r plus 1 factorial you can write as simple 10 minus r plus 1 into 10 minus r factorial. Here 10 minus r factorial as it is into r. So both 10 minus r factorial fact. So we removed factorial signs. We get 10 minus r plus 1 is greater than or equal to r. Therefore 11 is greater or equal to 2r. Therefore r, you can say 11 by 2 is greater or equal to r. Hence, upon the value of r equal to 5, the coefficient is continually increasing. The greatest of them being is by r equal to 5. Therefore, the greatest of them being given by r equal to 5. Therefore, the greatest coefficient equal NC5. By calculation, we get it is 252. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.